you go to 500 or 1000x.
This game uses money, and this game can also make money for you. Use your money wisely, and remember, this game is for entertainment, not for your main job to make money.
I know it's always closer for the bonus. What can I say? I can only say let's have the box survive. Let's try. Let's try. Oh, look at that. Cash in with a 5x top slot. Is any chance? Is any chance? Come on. Come on. Wow. Look at that. It's a top slot win for the cash hunt. Wow. This cash hunt is very, very, very special because top slot 5x for this cash hunt. It's time to hunt some multipliers, everyone. Let's get it. Let's get started. So the 5x from the top slot is adding here. And now you can see the matches. And which the highest is 500x. You can see 50x, 125x, 100x. A lot of multipliers, you know. So it's time for you to decide. You should try your level best, you know. So you can choose by yourself or it's gonna be an auto pick. Try to get that 500x everyone. Try to get more than 500. I mean more than 300 I mean. So
This is the amount of money issued 34,927 euros.
okay, how many of you got that? 500 for 5 winners. Wow.
I'm glad that you're happy. Can I practice hunting? You mean hunting in the cash hunt? Well, we'll see, we'll see. No, you guys are the best. I'm glad that you're happy, Chicky Play. I'm glad that you're happy. Boom, that's good. She keeps saying my name is Bring Luck. Yeah, cash in with a 7x top slot. It does bring luck. Who knew? It does bring luck! What are the chances? Cash on with a 7x top slot. What is this session? Woo! All right, somebody wanted to practice some hunting. This is your best practice right now, okay? Okay. Okay, a lot of 100x's times 7. That's right. Ba-boom. 700x is the biggest one. All yellow. Very nice. Let's go. Spin the carousel. Whoop, whoop. Very nice. I love you too. All right. I'm going to spin for the winner as well for all of you. So you get some luck tonight, you know? Get lucky tonight. All right. Decision time. Pick one of the targets. If you don't pick, the auto pick will pick for you. Thank you, Chicky. Call me Lucky Chicky. I will. We will. All right. And now, last seconds. And
this is the amount of money issued 118,179 euros.
You see, but summer 144 winners of the 700x. Woo! 1,675 winners. Nanelli top of the list. 6,000 plus euro win. That's open. Very nice. No, you guys are insane. In a good way. In a good way. You're welcome. You're welcome. Chicky, what did you?
Won this one. Congratulations. Hi, Illy. Regenta, darling, if you feel at Crazy Time, the original one is better than this one, you're always welcome to go there. I'm not forcing you to stay here. That's closed. Highest win today is 1,500x in the cash, everybody. We have 7x in the cash. Thank you, darling. Thank you. We're going to the cash hunt. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the cash hunt that we waited for. Why not 1 or 2, but quite a few 100x's? Now let's multiply everything by 7. Beautiful. I see not one, not two, but quite a few. 700 X's. Let's go. You have quite a big chance to get your money back. To win back everything. Come on. I really hope you placed your bets and now you're playing. My hopes are big here. So go ahead, decision time starts now. So choose wherever you feel 700 X's hiding. Or anything else, because there's still quite big multipliers there, right? So, last few seconds.
This is the amount of money issued 66,823 euros.
700 was there. So congratulations to those who catch something incredible and amazing. Let's go back. 1,532 of you have won in this one. Congratulations. Let's go into the next one. We understand your feelings. We understand your feelings. We totally understand it. What we don't tolerate is complete.
Again, it's a new round, so place your bets. So place your bets around. You can place your bets for all the segments. You can place your bets for crazy round, fish wrinkle. Now with the 3x top slot. Oh, come on. Wow, it's crazy time with the top slot with. Wow. It's time for us to go for crazy time. Let's open the red door. Wow, we were waiting for this moment to happen. That's a 3x for the crazy time. And 3x from the top slot. And now, what's the highest? What's the highest? You will see. Before that, you have to choose your favorite flapper, blue, yellow, green. Which one? And the most popular right now is the blue. And I'm so excited to see what's the highest on the wheel. 600x, let's double it. That's a triple for the yellow flapper. 75x for the blue and 30x for the green. Let's triple it. Look at that. And 1,800 is the highest. Let's triple it.
This is the amount of money issued 81,028 euros.
And that's a 225x for the crazy time yellow flapper.
Hey, that is true. That is true though. Well, not with every single person, but most of them, yeah. I love Irish people, so you're instantly my friend, Mugi. You're instantly my friend because I love Irish people. Crazy time with a 5x top slot. Oh, we got that crazy time with a 5x top slot. This is for the Irish guys. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, I'm not gonna wait. Come on. All right, all right. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the biggest wheel that we have. It's pretty big. Big, 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 big. Yeah, it's pretty big. With a 5x top slot. Very nice, very nice. Show me that 5x. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Boom, boom. All right. Oh, man. Hey, there will be more times. Okay, decision time. Green, blue, or yellow. Pick one of them. If you don't pick, auto pick will pick for you. You can still play, Chicky Play. You can still play. You can choose something. 500x is the max one. Let's go.
This is the amount of money issued 131,898 euros.
All right, not bad. 125x on the green, 250x on the blue, and 100x on the yellow. Hey, not bad at all. That's a 1,350. Hello. Not bad at all. I love you too, bro. I love you too. You're welcome, you're welcome, you're welcome. So how you guys doing now? That's close. Great sound with a 3x stop stuff. I love you too. I love you.
Time, please. Place your bets. So it's not that bad. It's not that bad. You know how bad our boys get like. Can I chat now? You don't need to ask for permission to chat. Oh, ladies and gentlemen, that's a cash hunt with 3x multiplier from Top Slot. Woo! Maximum multiplier is 1,500x! Woo! Wow! We had it. Can you imagine we had it 3 times 500x? Like this also, but with 3x times the multiplier. 3 times in this session. Can you believe? Can you believe? I'm choosing that muffin. Yeah.
This is the amount of money issued 31,837 euros.
100x. So we have 17 players with
OP top winners. Congratulations, guys. Betting time is all yours. Welcome to the conversation to join, guys. Yeah, crazy time is the game. Fastest name. How we're doing today. Hopefully great. Let's go. Alrighty. Here we go. Good luck, everyone. Cash hunt with 7x on the top slot. Oof. 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 Woo! Ladies and gentlemen, look what we're getting. Let's go. Let's go, everybody. Cash hunt, ladies and gentlemen. Want to see some magic? Check it out. Check it out. Let's take a look at that. Oh! Excitement. Ladies and gentlemen, look at this now. You see that? Pow! Everything is getting multiplied by 7. So now, 700x is the highest multi, guys. Let's go. Nice. Let's give it a little mix. The thing is that what is really cool that there's not even there's not only one 700x multi, there's multiple of those. Yep. Okay, guys, let's go. Come on. Nice. Nice. Ladies and gentlemen, decision time. Feel free to pick the choose to decide how do you think where's that 700x is actually hiding. Really hold it all. You're going to get it. Also, if you're not going to choose anything, some of those spots are going to be chosen randomly, automatically for you. So, yeah, that's also a thing, actually, yeah? Okay. We call it...
This is the amount of money issued 406,803 euros.
Nice.
Well, sure. Congratulations. Right, well, betting time's all yours. This is funny. I mean, okay, well, for me, it's not funny. I mean, you know, like, I don't like mind games. Just tell me who you are, and that's about it. You know that. But hi, Amy. Good luck. 5 some pachinko. Oh, we still have it. We still have pachinko. There you go. Pachinko 5 from the top slot. See? So good, she. All right. Well, hello, ladies, hello, gentlemen. Right, so let's see what we're going to be fighting for. Starting with 5x. 7, 10, that's a lot of 10s. 15, 20, 25, 40, 50, 100, 200 times 5. There's 1000x there. We have a potential of getting 1000x. So please, for the love of Pachinko, let us have it. Please stop there. Just good luck. Can you go to 500 or 1000x?
This is the amount of money issued 1,858,113 euros.
That's beautiful! 3,871 winners here. Congratulations!
If this game uses money, so be wise in using your money. Pay attention to the meaning of money. Money is a stock of assets that can be immediately used to carry out transactions. Apart from that, money is anything that can be used or received to make payments for goods, services, or debts. Money has one fundamental purpose in the economic system: to facilitate the exchange of goods and services, to shorten the time and effort required to execute a trade. Money is an object that can be approved by all levels of society as a means of exchange in trade. The definition of money is an acceptable medium used by every economic actor or money market player to make transactions easier.